I'm Janelle, a professional organizer. Many of us keep things for sentimental reasons. These can be items that remind us of good memories or even painful ones. Sometimes holding on to these things can feel like an obligation. When we have too many things, we tend to store them out of sight. Do you have a memory box under your bed that you haven't opened in years? Keeping too many things actually does a disservice for the items that truly matter. Today, I'll give you some tips on how to approach organizing items you may have an attachment to. Tip 1. Display and use special items instead of storing them. Many people have homeware they only use on special occasions, but the truth is, there's no time like the present. If you have china you only use on holidays, bring it out once a week for family dinners. Use the possessions you have to fill your everyday life with happiness and memories. If you're not using or showcasing items, what's the point of keeping them? Tip 2. Limit the amount of items you keep. Instead of hanging on to hundreds of pieces of your children's artwork that you store in a box out of sight, choose a few pieces that you display or keep easily accessible. You can scan old artwork and turn it into a memory book that you can give to them when they're older. Tip 3. Just because something is expensive or a gift doesn't mean you have to keep it. By holding on to things you don't love, you make it difficult to honor and really give attention to those things that are actually special to you. Take the time to really evaluate why you are keeping certain things and give away the ones that don't bring you joy. There's definitely someone else out there who could use them. Tip 4. Sort your photos. If you have boxes of printed photos, now is the time to scan them and add them to photo albums that can be printed and shared. Instead of leaving photos deep in a box where no one can see them, now you can proudly display them on your coffee table or store them on a bookshelf. Not only will this free up space, it will make it much easier to find photos when you want to share and enjoy them. Tip 5. Evaluate your book, DVD, and music collections. We accumulate so many books, movies, and music throughout our lives. There's no definitive number that one person should have, but if you're hanging on to old textbooks from school and DVDs of films you'd rather stream, maybe it's time to let them go. This is a great opportunity to donate or give away things you're no longer using. Check for duplicates or stuff you really didn't enjoy. If it's sentimental to you, a textbook with a special note inside, for instance, keep it, but you can donate everything else. Look for a local college, donation center, or a community library in your neighborhood. Most of them have donation bins where you can drop things off. I hope you found these tips helpful. I'm Janelle Cohen. Thanks for watching. Bye!